Something hit me.
It was slag from the metal. Check it out. We got a Ruger LCR, which is a very popular aluminum frame revolver for self-defense in the caliber of .22 long rifle, which nobody considers a good caliber for self-defense. But it's a great little gun. It shoots good, so I don't know. Can we shoot a piece of metal at 10 yards with it?
Oh yeah.
So, I don't want this video to be about whether a .22 long rifle is a good option for self-defense, because everybody's going to hate it and they're going to be like, it's no good, it's no good. I'm going to only tell you this. I don't want to influence people and they'll run out and buy a .22 long rifle for self-defense and then they'll blame me because it didn't kill somebody on meth. But what I'm telling you is that this is my sister Amy's gun, and you've seen her on plenty of our videos. She can shoot about any gun you can think of, but this is the gun she started out with.
Very first gun.
Her very first gun. And she had a hard time racking a slide. She had a hard time clearing malfunctions. She didn't like flying brass out. She didn't like recoil. So me and the old man basically decided for her, hey, you're going to learn how to shoot a revolver and you're going to carry this gun with you, because she was out running the roads, going to college and different things with no gun. And we decided, for good or bad, that a 8-shot 22 was better than pepper spray, a knife, Krav Maga, whatever you want to say. A 22, 8-shot 22 is better than those things. And basically with this, it's no learning how to reload a magazine. I see it. There's no learning how to reload a magazine. It's basically 8 shots, and then you got a weapon to beat the crap out of them with. It's not the best thing, but it's pretty accurate. It shoots pretty good. The trigger on it to me is real nice. I really like the trigger on this. So we're at about 10 yards from, I got some crap up there to shoot at. I got some shaving cream, so I don't know if I can hit the shaving cream with this, but I do hate some shaving cream, so let me try to hit the shaving cream with it. What do you say?
Yeah.
I knocked it over, but I don't think that's definitely a kill. Now there's your kill shot right there. Pretty good shooting little gun. You think a lot of people out there hate 22 and they're like, 22 wouldn't even kill nobody, but you think it'll bust the 2-liter?
Yeah.
Yeah, it will. There's a bad guy up there, you know, hey. I think the sheer fact that, hey, I'm a bad guy and somebody's shooting at me, even though it's no bad guys ever stopped and said, hey, you're just shooting at me with a 22. Like I say, it's not the most accurate gun. It's a little short-barreled 22. There's a lot of people out there that have hand trouble. They have trouble racking a slide. They're not going to go through the time to learn how to diagnose and clear a malfunction in an automatic. So something like this, pull till it's empty. And let's see if I can do better on the metal this time, you think?
Okay.
All right. All right, so this has just been a real quick video, not nothing real in-depth or nothing. I really like the LCR. There's probably points in this video that I called it an LCP, and that's my fault, and I apologize.
I'll fix it.
Yeah, we'll fix it in post. But this is an LCR. It shoots really good, but one thing I noticed that I do, now that I've been shooting quite a bit, is sometimes I double stroke it. That's where I pull the trigger, the gun goes off, I let the trigger go, but I don't let it go forward far enough, and so when I pull it, it just spins the cylinder again. You'll have one unspent round or whatever. Well, that wasn't worth it. I short stroked it. So you got to make sure you let that trigger go all the way, but real nice shooting gun. You know, it is what it is. It's a 22 revolver that holds 8 shots. Until next time, hit it, Bill. Well, that wasn't too bad. A little bitty 22, who would have thought? Fun to shoot.